All right. Hi, Howard Hanna. I'm going to show you all how to set up a virtual open house, but in a way to try to get leads. So rather than just going live on Facebook, I'm going to actually create an event and ask for people to register. We're just going to share my screen here. And here I am. I'm on my Facebook business page. And from my page, I'm just going to click on events. All right, I click on create event to create a new one. And the first thing I did, I actually made a fun little graphic on Canva. So maybe more people will reach out about it. So I'm gonna just click on change. And I've already downloaded that, so I just wanna upload it now. And then I'm just gonna fill in like I would any other event. So event name, I'm gonna put virtual open house. I would probably put the address at this point, but I'm just gonna put test because I don't need a lot of people joining us. And then under description, I might give, the address and my remarks that would be from the MLS, beautiful colonial, whatever the price is, beds, baths, all that good stuff. And under category, there's a few I might put, I might consider, but there's home, there's an other. So really, I might just put under other because I don't know if home is like DIY things. I don't really think the category matters much. And then normally I would put this for maybe a Sunday, but because I want to show everyone how to do it, I'm going to put it for today. And we're just going to make it last about a half hour. So I have 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. There's no co-hosts. I can fill in all of this if I want, but I'm actually going to pay to boost this eventually. And I do want confirmation. So this is what's important for you to be able to get those leads. So I'm asking for a confirmation, and spots available 100 people. If I get 100 people on this, that'd be great. Or you know what? Let's just shoot for the stars here. 500, and I'll let they can reserve 5, 10 spots. And I'm going to ask some questions here. The first one I'm going to ask is, would you like information on similar properties? And actually, I'm going to put information or virtual tours. And then I'm going to ask something, do you need to sell before buy? And maybe if you need more information, please leave your email. All right. And I'm going to let them be able to message me. I'm only going to let myself post. I'm not going to display the guest list. I'm going to make that private, and I'm just going to hit publish. And once that event is published on the day, you can actually go live in that event. And that is the next tip we are going to show. So I will get out of this one. And I will be back showing you how to go ahead and go live in your event.